There is a tribe in the Amazon that has never seen the outside world. Approach their land, and you will not walk back out. This tribe is real. Their arrows are real. And they are still out there. Deep in Brazil's Javari Valley lies the largest concentration of isolated tribes on Earth. More than 1,000 people live here who have never spoken to an outsider. Outsiders call them the Flecheiros, the arrow people. No one knows their real name. No one speaks their language. Their arrows are tipped with a paralyzing poison called curare. A single graze from one of these arrows can stop a man's lungs. In the 1980s, loggers who entered their land were met with repeated, violent attacks. Not once, in decades, have they crossed into the modern world. Even Brazil's own government is legally forbidden from making contact. It sounds strange, until you learn what happened the last time someone tried. In 2017, government agents flew a drone deep into their territory. For the first time in recorded history, a hidden village came into view. One man stood in the open, bow raised, staring straight at the drone. In that moment, the world learned they know exactly when they're being watched. That footage remains one of the only glimpses anyone has ever had of them. But the real danger to this tribe isn't their weapons, it's us. Illegal gold miners have pushed deeper into their land for decades. Reports once surfaced of hunters killing members of the tribe for entering mining camps. Historically, far more isolated tribespeople died from disease than from any conflict. A single common cold could wipe out an entire uncontacted village. That is the real reason contact is forbidden, not fear, but survival. One government agent spent his life trying to protect tribes like this one. His philosophy was simple: die if necessary, but never kill. Today, entering their territory without permission is a serious crime in Brazil. The law exists to protect a way of life we may never fully understand. Most isolated tribes are descendants of survivors who fled violence centuries ago. Their isolation isn't fear of the world, it's memory of what the world did. Right now, in this exact moment, they are watching their forest, undisturbed. Some places on this planet were simply never meant to be found.